it definitely got pretty nasty here. There's just dust flying everywhere. Unbound gravel. Yeah. It is picking up. Oh my God. We did. This is the 360, the XL riders. They're about to go.
Here they come.
Let's go! Let's go!
Way to go, guys! Way to go!
Good luck!
Got a rider flip-flops on what looks like a single speed. Much braver soul than this guy. Another tandem. There we go. I like it.
Might as well not have waited.
Here we go. Absolutely crazy. We have mud. So I did this last year. We had mud at 70 miles. But this is at 10.
Oh yeah, this is great. I'm gonna...
Walking. Oh shit. It has been roughly 45 minutes still walking. Trying to keep my bike on the grass so it's not kicking up the mud. Been almost an hour and we're still walking. This thing is going and going and going. Oh, God, Absolutely. I'm so happy to be on my bike.
You're doing a pretty good job.
Took my last sip of water about 2 minutes ago. The mud section just got me. Didn't plan for that. I'm at the water oasis, which I think is mile 41, 42. The line for water. The Judge. I'm definitely walking this. Absolute lifesaver. Lifesaver here. Lifesaver. Just got some water. About 5 miles left to Madison. It's a grind. It feels like a grind just to get to that checkpoint. It's been tough. We're getting there. Made it to Madison. I did my sag station with 3 feet. These guys have been on it. 3 feet cycling. They've been on it. They took care of my bike. They have Coke, water. Yeah, so 3 feet cycling. They're awesome. Just because the mud section was at the 9 mile mark versus the 70, so it just wore everyone out. I thought I was gonna spend like 15 minutes here. I'm gonna take like a 25-30 minute break, get back on it. So thank you. Thank you. People in Madison so supportive. People are just supportive here. Great. Weather kind of concerning. Something almost looks like a tornado. See some dust. Definitely doing some spinning around, but everyone's continuing. At this point, it's just better for me to hike this thing up than pedal. Energy level is definitely low. Those are the pros. Yeah, it definitely got pretty nasty here. There's just dust flying everywhere. Unbound gravel. Yeah. It is picking up. the bridge. Thank you. Almost done. Super rainy, super rainy. It's been pouring like this for the last good 15 minutes. Oh man. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God.
We got back into your helmets and now it's like a
No, thank you. Oh man.
Will you like to finish?
Oh yeah, man. Thank you. Nice. Appreciate it.
Would you like a water?
Yeah, I would. Thank you. I'm good. I got it in my bag. Thank you. Oh. Hey, man. Can you? Yeah. How did it go? I finished.
I told him, I was like, you're really